Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jalisha B here today with a DIY silk press video. If you want to see how I did this, make sure you stay tuned. Click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Because y'all see, I know you see my hair. I know you see my hair slayed. So let's just get right into the video so you can do it yourself at home. Save your coins, girl.
I'm taking my Camera Platinum blow dry spray to spray over each section of my hair, and I'm going to do the stretching method with my regular blow dryer and then come back with my paddle brush blow dryer and finish it off. So let's get started, girl. Cause I'm on a time limit today, and I can't be doing this all day.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they notice it. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. Cause I've been up all night picking this.
So basically my goal is to get it about 70, actually more than maybe like 85% dry, really 90% dry. That way when I go over with the paddle brush dryer, it's really just to smooth it out. And it's mostly dry from this stage, especially my roots. If you've seen like my other videos about this, if you've seen any of my other videos where I talk about the paddle brush blow dryer, you'll know that it's not really great for your roots, getting your roots dry. So that's why I like to, well, I started doing it like this just so it wouldn't take so long. So much quicker way to blow dry your hair if you haven't tried it.
Never slip when I'm around you. Cause if the world's right and you're wrong, I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't face but ya. Waiting all this time on you. Waiting all this time on you.
I'm taking my Tall Measure Skinny Serum, which I absolutely love. This is also a small version. I'm gonna go and buy the full sizes of all these because I'm running out of everything. But if you want to try this skinny serum, it is lit, so you need to get it. And I'm taking my Revlon blow dryer, which I rave about in all of my hair straightening videos, but I do want to try the round brush one next. If you've tried the round brush, let me know in the comments if you like it or not, because I swear by this one, but that one look lit, so I'm gonna try that one. And last but not least, I'm taking my Tresemme heat protectant just because I need a little extra protection. My hair is colored and it's getting damaged, so I want to just add a little extra protection. So I want to spray this, then blow dry. Actually, maybe I might put both of these on and then hit it with the paddle brush dry. I got heartburn. Oh, okay. Let's do this.
Telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, solid for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, I'm telling for you. So baby, see me through. Now honey, what's the move, babe?
Now let's get into the fun part, which is the actual flat ironing part. My hair, I really like the method I just did because my hair is super soft now. At first it was kind of dry. It was kind of dried out with just using that Camera blow dry spray, but when I put the oil and this in my hair at the same time and blow dry over, now it's like soft. So I got a feeling this is gonna be a good one. I'm taking my handy dandy Infinity Pro flat iron that I've had for years at this point, and a lot of you guys have gotten this flat iron because I told you to get it, and I always get ready for reviews. So girl, if you want to get this flat iron, make sure you click in the link below. I swear by this flat iron, and it's only $40. So All I'm saying is you don't need that $300 flat iron, girl. You don't need it. You don't need it. Because this will work just fine. And I don't have to do really small pieces because it's a big flat iron. I don't flat iron my hair in really tiny pieces because I don't got that kind of time. And as long as you blow dry your hair out really good, you don't have to use some small ass pieces. So get you one of these. Actually get everything that I used in this video and your hair come out good. And yeah, let's get into this flat iron. I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do it, and I'm gonna see y'all at the end when I'm done.
Ooh, Lex, only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death when I see those eyes. Running till I find that face that drives me in with the body that shade. Fine and curvy, but slightly dirty. Can find an hour, I'm on the journey. Glamorous with the fashion sense of a goddess. She a bad bitch with the finest, the hottest. Cool cat, she just pipe it down so exotic. Sex machine, I swear was robotic. I like it when she speak, but let's stop by the talking. Like Red Fool, I'ma get this party rocking. Classic kind of chick, yeah, you know what I mean. Looking like a scene from a movie screen. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush, hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne and got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on, hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long, so I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way, you know what I say. Give me that good in the city today. Sitting rooftop, blue sky, whiskey on the rocks. Time going by, ain't looking at the watch. You ain't like a dove in the flock. When I kiss your lips, my whole world stops. If you really wanna, I can take it from the top. That's what I gotta do to get you on my beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. Under pressure, take you to another sector. Being with you is the only answer. You so fine, you divine. You stop all space and time. When I look into those eyes, you know when I visualize. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. Ooh, Lex, only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death when I see those eyes. Running till I find that face that drives me in with the body that shade. Fine and curvy, but slightly dirty. Can find an hour, I'm on the journey. Glamorous with the fashion sense of a goddess. She a bad bitch with the finest, the hottest. Cool cat, she just pipe it down so exotic. Sex machine, I swear was robotic. I like it when she speak, but let's stop by the talking. Like Red Fool, I'ma get this party rocking. Classic kind of chick, yeah, you know what I mean. Looking like a scene from a movie screen. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush, hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne and got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on, hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long, so I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way.
Okay, so I'm done flat ironing my hair. I wrapped this to do my makeup. So let's see how it turned out, girl. came out so good. Just like I knew it. I told y'all this combo was gonna be good for my hair. I knew it was. I knew it. I'm giving, I might have some money. Like, you see these? Ooh. I think this is the best I've ever done. Like flow wise, and it's just coming out exactly like I like. This is the best I ever done. Give me a hand clap. I only have to give me a hand clap right there. Also, I started parting my hair on the right instead of the left. I used to part my hair on the left, but now I part my hair on the right, and I think it's giving me grown. Like, I'm grown. I part my hair on the left side now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the description down below. Read all the details. I linked everything I use in my hair, shampoo, conditioner, oil, everything. Flat irons, everything is in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hair videos. And of course, if you're still here, make sure you click this video right here to see my last time I flat iron my hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.